Take on the challenge of installing a drop-in sink. Can you make it look easy? Installing a drop-in sink is a popular choice for many homeowners, and for good reason. It's a fantastic option for those who want a straightforward and relatively easy installation process. The idea of having a sleek, new sink that simply drops into your existing countertop sounds like a dream, right? One of the biggest hurdles people face when installing a sink is measuring correctly. You have to ensure your sink and countertop are perfectly aligned, or you'll end up with a messy fit. And trust me, nobody likes a sink that looks like it was slapped in there as an afterthought. Ensuring a proper fit can be tricky, especially if you're working with an older countertop that's not exactly level. Then there's the issue of materials, making sure you've got the right tools and sealants to prevent leaks. The thought of dealing with all these details can be overwhelming. But stick with me, and I'll show you just how manageable it is. You've probably seen those horror stories online where the sink just doesn't fit. Or worse, it starts leaking after a few days. Those are usually the result of rushing through the prep work. To get started, you'll need a few essential tools: a tape measure, a jigsaw or sink cutter, some plumber's putty, and a screwdriver. Make sure you've got all your materials ready before you begin. The first step is to measure your sink and the hole in your countertop. Double-check those measurements. It's better to be safe than sorry. Once you're confident your measurements are spot on, it's time to cut the hole for your sink if you haven't already. This is where precision really matters. A jigsaw or sink cutter will make this part a breeze. After cutting, smooth out the edges to ensure a clean fit. Then, apply a bead of plumber's putty around the sink's edge. This will create a watertight seal. Carefully lower your sink into the hole, pressing down evenly to spread the putty. Make sure it's centered and sits flush with the countertop. Securing the sink involves tightening the clips or brackets provided with your sink. Don't over-tighten. You just want it snug enough to hold the sink firmly in place. The moment of truth. The sink is successfully placed into the countertop. You get that huge sense of satisfaction seeing everything come together. It's a great feeling knowing you've accomplished something that looks professional. With the sink in place, connect your water supply lines and drain. These connections are crucial. For preventing leaks, use a wrench to tighten all fittings securely. Testing the sink involves turning on the water and checking for leaks. If everything looks good, you've done it. The final step is to clean up and enjoy your new sink. Take a step back and admire your handiwork. You've saved yourself some money and learned a valuable skill. To recap, installing a drop-in sink is all about careful planning and execution. Measure accurately, use the right materials, and take your time. It's a project that can easily be completed over a weekend. If you've had any experiences with drop-in sink installations, I'd love to hear about them. Leave a comment below. Also, be sure to check out another DIY video on my channel if you're looking for more projects to tackle.